Now I'm going to go ahead and apologize right now to the Peter McKinnon fans. You might not like this video, so watch at your own risk. Hey everybody, when I went out to the mailbox today, I was super stoked because if you know who Peter McKinnon is, then you know where this box came from. This is the brand new Peter McKinnon camera tool. Now, I bought it the day it was released, and it got here pretty quick. Let's check it out. I'm just going to go ahead and use the 65 Chevy as a workbench. It'll be fine. Now, in his soft-release video, he mentioned that this is a total experience, and so far, that's true. Most boxes that I get in the mail do not have a, well, skull and cross knives on them. They generally are just plain brown boxes, so far, so good. Now, I blacked out my address just in case you really don't like this video. You won't be able to find me. All right. Nice brown wrapper. Ooh. What do you guys think? Think I find a place to put this sticker before the end of the video? Let me know in the comments. You carefully cut the plastic here. So we got a U.S. patent pending, and it's got a Canadian patent. It was designed in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and made in China. Very interesting. My Gerber over here is the same way, only it was designed in Oregon, but made in China as well. All right, let's open this up. Oh, look at that. It's got everything you need to know about the tool right inside the box lid. Check out this sweet carrying case. It's Peter McKinnon's autograph right on it. It's not his real autograph, it's a likeness of his autograph. I like how the inside of the case is nice and fuzzy. That'll keep this tool warm in those cold Canadian winters. This has a little pocket here. And we've got some bits. Very nice. Let's see, anything else? No, nothing else. All right. I was hoping for a personalized note from Peter himself, but, well, there isn't one. So the packaging, the case, bits, very nice. But what about the tool itself? Let's take a look at it. So what we have here is a little lever that pushes out a bit driver. This bit driver is really nice because it does lock in the middle. As a comparison, this Gerber has a bit driver as well. It's not quite as easy to open. There it goes. And see, it's not even straight, nor is it centered. So when you're trying to use this to screw or unscrew something, it's offset, so it's a little clunky. Now we can take this bit right out of this, put it right into the P. McKinnon tool. And this is magnetized, so you don't have to worry about it coming out. It's not going anywhere. All right, let me put that one back in here. Let's look at the ones that came with it. So these bits fit nice and snug, and as I previously mentioned, it's magnetized. They're not coming out. You can also store some bits right in here. Now what's cool about that is, you fold this out, it's got another one. You can just pull it out, or you can use this to kick it out. But you can also take a bit, store it in this side. So now you don't even need to carry this or this. You can just carry this tool and have the two bits that you most likely are going to use. I suppose I should check this. Let's put a bit in here. Now let's see if it'll close. Look at that, it does close all the way. So now you can use that little kick out tool, that's cool. Another one here. And now we have 4 bits total on this tool without having to carry anything extra. So that's pretty nice. Can't do that with a tool like this Gerber. It just has the one slot. Let's see what else we've got here. Now, when you use the kick out tool, it kicks out both tools. So here's our other tool that's on this side. It is a giant flat blade. Now, for those of you in the camera business, this is obviously meant for those tripod bases so that you can unlock that giant screw on the bottom, of the flat blade screw that people always try to use dimes and pennies and other nonsense like that to take off. But really, if you have one of these, it works much better. So that's pretty cool. Now you could also use this in the car world. This is a great tool for taking off license plate screws because it's kind of the same deal. They've got those big, long, slotted screws. So this would be good for that. Let's see what we've got on the other side. Again, this kicks out both tools. Another one that locks right in the middle. This is a Phillips. Now, I have seen this type of Phillips before, and for car use, not too impressed. It's kind of like a size 1 Phillips and a size 2 Phillips, and they don't work great at either, really. They work fine, pretty much as a size 2, but as a size 1, it's usually a little lacking. I don't have any size 1 screws kicking around at the moment to try this on. So I'm just going to assume that it's going to work fine. So what else do we have here? What else? This looks like you can put some sort of lanyard or something through here, or a key ring. You can put that on here, right through the hole. It's got a nice belt clip, which has the cool skull on it. And then, oh, look at the little secret compartment here. This is where you can definitely tell that it is a camera tool. You can put an SD card in here, and that's really cool, because I bet most people wouldn't notice that it's in there. So if you're out doing maybe some pirate photography and you're concerned that someone's going to swipe your SD card when you try and cross the border, stuff that bad boy in here and they might not notice it. So there it is, brief overview of the Pete McKinnon camera tool. Now, before I give you my thoughts on it, I just want to apologize again to the Pete McKinnon fans, because I know that my video is not up to your standards. There's no B-roll. There's no side stories, which I'm terrible at. Oh, the lighting's bad. Camera works lousy. But I love this little thing. This is great. It's going to go in my camera bag. It's not going to go in my regular car tool bag. It's too nice for that. Remember, when you buy this, you know, it's not the cheapest tool on the planet. But if you're a Pete McKinnon fan, this is definitely worth the experience. The box and packaging is as nice as he said it was going to be. I'm pleased with it. You know, the whole skull and crossbones thing is cool. I love that. The added little sticker, that's the best. It's going to look great on my C10. And if you guys haven't watched his other channel, the Pete's Pirate Life channel, he's working on an old C10 on that. So it's kind of cool. Now, I've had mine longer than he's had his, so I'm not some fanboy copying him. Plus, mine's LS swapped, and he's just putting in his standard small block Chevy. But at any rate, I hope you guys liked my video anyways. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. See you guys down the road. So one thing in the back window of the 65 C10 is the perfect place. Yeah, I like it.